taking pictures of people that stop
what about all
by.
the illegal drugs you do in your garage?
Oh, there's no illegal drugs in my garage.
Oh, yes, there is, and there's evidence of it.
Hello
What?
there.
Woo, woo.
Hello, darling.
There's no illegal drugs on my property.
Hello,
Yes, sir.
sweetheart.
Our eyes open.
No, not hers.
Oh my God, where my wig is behind me? You see my wig? No. Where my wig at? The wig is gone. Oh my goodness. Where my wig we gotta go home.
And then one day I be losing you.
Damn it.
What the fuck was that about, huh? What's up, you fat pig? What, you don't see where you're fucking going?
I wasn't even driving.
Don't shut the fuck up, you fucking piece of bacon!
Why'd I get picked up? Damn, you fine as hell. Hey, yo, think I can get your nut?
Are you serious, my brother?
I won it. You're trespassing on my property. You didn't win shit in my yard.
Wait.
All of you.
Daddy, chill.
What the hell is even that?
Just be like, I need a man, not a kid, and then end up with a kid and no man.
Where they got dirty at? Oh, what the hell? Oh my God, no way, yeah. Hold on, Papa. Come on, man. I gotta get back to work. Hold on, you gonna get back to work? Hold on, man. Cause Jordan never did that move.
No, this is a work issue.
He never woo. He wanted day. Oh, brother got the bubble gum. Oh, he got the bubble gum drop bottoms on them damn things. And Uno. Oh, he got the N Unos on. Oh, I got 3 things, brother. Let me rub. Oh, I got my 3 feet. Let me plug. Brother, I love you, man. Bobby, give me a pound.
There you go.
Take them all, damn boy. Thank you.
I guess I'll see you next time.
Thank you.
Wait for the at the end.
There's somebody. And a turtle. 2 fish, 1 turtle.
Wow. Oh my God.
3 of the hardest things for people to say: I was wrong, I need help, and Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire.
Skin was showing, hot night, wind was blowing. Where you think you're going, baby?
Know how to hypnotize a rooster. Ready? So you hold him like this. Watch Tooster's body. Watch this. Watch his body. Oh my gosh. Watch. He's totally fixated on the line. Watch. He's asleep. This is just like when they're roosting. How long will he stay like that?
A few minutes. Sometimes he'll stand up and stare at it and then lay down on the
If we erase the line, will he wake up?
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure either.
Is he gonna peck me? Oh my gosh, if you Alexa, when will the sun explode?
Well, according to new scientific research, it is said that the sun is not showing any signs of exploding.
Oh my god, that's so good, yeah.
It appears that the sun is actually going to implode.
Implode? What?
It's fine, boo-boo. It probably won't happen for 100 years.
Oh my god, thank god.
Or maybe 2 years, I don't know anyway. Speaking of the hot sun, you are even hotter, Snookums.
Oh my god, stop!
Hey, Joshua!
You are not Joshua.
Open the door. Point your finger, okay? Alright, now. Got it? Put your finger all the way in. Put your finger all the way in.
Oh, wait. Look, Liam, take your ring off.
Oh, wait. Taste it.
Take it off, look.
Tastes like peanut butter.
It started pouring, so I ran into my car. Then realized. This is not my car.
Gran, what are your pronouns?
My what?
Your pronouns.
A-E-I-O-U.
I told my nephew to put his bearded dragon on my friend's back.
I swear to God, please, Rico, get him out. Please, Rico. I'll pay you $100. Please, I swear to God, please, don't let this. Hey, please. Rico, please, Rico.
So my teacher donated to me.
Yo, Mrs. Winsley with the 10. Mrs. Winsley, hey, obviously you're doing well on YouTube. We enjoy teaching you. Oh my god. Miss Winsley, oh my god. Yo, I already graduated, so I'm pretty sure I can say this. Like, are you single yet? Because you were the baddest bitch I've ever had as a fucking teacher. Like I remember when she bent over in front of my desk to pick up a pencil, like the mommy milkers was just dangling down to my face. Oh my god. Miss Winsley. Miss Winsley. Alex, bro, our history teacher is in my chat right now. Like, oh my god, bro. I can't. Yo, another. How you're so funny. I don't teach you anymore. I think you should totally catch up. Miss Winsley! Miss Winsley!
Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up!
SpongeBob! Sponge! Get the fuck up out there before I punch in your shit, boy. Scary ass, boy. Oh God, you scary pussy ass, boy. Fuck, boy.
Let me get the Walmart. Can I get some more fidgets?
No, you don't need something every time we go to
But
the store.
Mom, please. Sheesh. Hey, will you take my picture real quick?
Yeah.
Sheesh. See that bush right there?
Yeah.
Bet I can jump over it. No cap.
What does that even mean, cap?
I don't know. I hear all the kids say it. Did you get it? Getting some snacks for the road.
No, you don't need any snacks.
Oh, you got mini muffins? Mom, these are bussin'.
Sheesh.
What, my fanny pack?
Yeah.
My Mimi gave it to me. She said it's from the 80s, whatever that is. But I use it to keep my fidgets in. Did you get it, Mom? A little snapper. I got wacky track. I got ooh, these are my favorite. I got little mochis. See the little bitty mouse? Hold on, Mom, let me get a snack.
No, it's late. You need to go to bed.
I didn't even eat that much for supper.
Sucker's crazy. Get out! Damn it! Oh, my dog! Get! Gabby, get up front. God almighty! Crazy ass goose! Suck! Get! God damn it! Get! This sucker's crazy. Yeah, right, sucker. Good girl, Gabby. That daggone goose mess with you, girl. Look at that crazy sucker.
Hey, what's up, man? It's just something about your eyes. They just so nice. Your eyes are...